Did you know that certain foods and drinks can actually help boost your immunity and keep you healthy? Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of immunity-boosting foods and drinks that you absolutely need to try. With the current focus on health and wellness, it can be overwhelming to figure out what foods and drinks are best for boosting your immunity. It's crucial to understand the importance of maintaining a strong immune system, especially in today's world. Join us as we explore a variety of foods and drinks that are packed with immune-boosting properties. We'll also discuss the role of quality sleep, regular exercise, and effective stress management in supporting your immune health. From vibrant fruits to soothing herbal teas, there are plenty of delicious and nourishing options to choose from to help you thrive. How to eat to boost the immune system. Your immune system functions like an army equipped with sophisticated weapons in the form of cells and compounds. To ensure this army operates at its best, it requires a steady supply of nutrients, which you obtain through your diet. A minimally processed, mostly plant-based diet, comprising about 75% plant foods, is ideal for supporting your immune system. This is because fruits and vegetables are rich in the essential nutrients your immune system needs, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, the precursor to vitamin A, certain B vitamins, like folate, polyphenols, antioxidants that get broken down into food and boost your gut environment, where about 80% of immune cells live. Zinc is another helpful nutrient to boost the immune system, largely found in cereals, meat, fish and other seafood, eggs and dairy products. When selecting fruits and vegetables, aim for a diverse array. Choose from fresh, frozen and dried options in all colors. Remember that juices like 100% orange juice, pomegranate juice, and vegetable juice can also help you meet your daily fruit and veggie intake, which for most people is a minimum of 2 cups of fruit and 2.5 cups of vegetables each day. Keep in mind that it's generally better to get your nutrients from food rather than a pill bottle. However, certain supplements can be beneficial in specific cases, such as ensuring you get enough vitamin D, which is found in only a few foods. Before we proceed, a quick disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Before trying any new foods or drinks mentioned, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Individual responses may vary, and it's essential to consider existing medical conditions or allergies. Remember to prioritize balance and moderation in your approach to health and wellness. What food has the highest impact on immunity? Some dietitians recognize red bell peppers as the most effective immune-boosting food. While vitamin C often steals the spotlight for immune health, research highlights the importance of various nutrients including vitamin A, vitamin D, B vitamins, zinc, and probiotics. Ensuring a well-rounded diet with a diverse range of foods is key to obtaining all these essential nutrients. Red bell peppers stand out as an excellent source of vitamin C, along with vitamin A and B vitamins. Just half a cup provides approximately 100 milligrams of vitamin C, 111% daily value, and 117 micrograms of vitamin A, 13% daily value, along with a range of B vitamins. Additionally, they are convenient, economical and versatile, whether consumed raw or cooked. What foods boost immunity fast? To enhance your immunity, prioritize consuming a well-balanced and diverse diet primarily composed of whole, plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes, and whole grains. Here are the key foods to focus on for boosting your immunity. Oranges are abundant in vitamin C, a crucial nutrient when you're feeling under the weather. Research indicates that vitamin C can be beneficial in preventing the common cold, especially for individuals in environments conducive to illness, such as cold weather. Additionally, it may reduce the duration and severity of cold symptoms. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which can aid in the treatment and prevention of coughs and colds. Research indicates that consuming flavonoids, a type of antioxidant found in blueberries, can reduce the likelihood of catching a cold by 33% compared to those who do not consume flavonoid-rich foods or supplements daily. Tomatoes are an excellent choice when you're feeling unwell because they are rich in vitamin C. A single medium tomato contains slightly over 16 milligrams of vitamin C, providing essential support to your body's immune system. Broccoli. Researchers have found that incorporating broccoli into your diet can be beneficial in warding off colds. A study revealed that broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables can enhance immunity. Sulforaphane, a compound found in broccoli, activates antioxidant genes and enzymes in certain immune cells, helping to counteract free radicals in the body and reduce the risk of illness. Spinach is a prominent superfood renowned for its numerous health benefits. Rich in fiber, it supports digestive health and also provides a source of vitamin C. Apples. He saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away holds true. Apples can indeed help prevent illnesses like the common cold. Research has found that apples contain phytochemical antioxidants. These compounds are known to bolster immunity and decrease the likelihood of chronic diseases. Pink grapefruit. A single grapefruit provides 75 milligrams of vitamin C, meeting a woman's daily requirement. Additionally, it boasts a significant amount of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A serves as an antioxidant, aiding in immunity enhancement. Moreover, it contributes to the maintenance of healthy mucous membranes in the nose, sinuses, and mouth. Extra virgin olive oil. This healthy oil has demonstrated the ability to aid in rebuilding and enhancing the body's immunity. Research has shown that olive oil's rich concentration of polyunsaturated fatty acid serves as an anti-inflammatory agent, which contributes to bolstering the immune system and protecting against infection. Garlic has gained renown as one of the most effective foods for alleviating cold symptoms, and research supports this claim. A review of garlic's effects revealed that participants who consumed garlic over a 3-month period experienced significantly fewer cases of the common cold compared to those in the control group. What drinks boost your immune system? Numerous liquids are packed with potent ingredients that combat colds and other infections, ensuring you meet your daily recommended intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Turmeric latte, the key component, turmeric, harbors a vital compound known as curcumin, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral attributes. Turmeric lattes offer versatility in preparation: a simple blend of turmeric, warm almond milk, or any other milk substitute, a dash of coconut oil, and black pepper yields a frothy and invigorating beverage that nourishes your body with each sip. Ginger tea. When it comes to treating a common cold, ginger emerges as one of the best foods for relief. Research suggests that ginger's potent anti-inflammatory properties are crucial in its ability to combat a cold or flu. Since inflammation can affect the body's immune response, incorporating anti-inflammatory ginger into your diet can play a key role in boosting immunity. Water. When feeling unwell, plain water can be one of the most beneficial beverages to consume. Staying hydrated can assist in loosening trapped mucus. Aim to drink at least the recommended 8 glasses of water per day to ensure optimal hydration, particularly as illness often leads to increased fluid loss. Ginseng tea is renowned not only for its delightful flavor, but also for its potential therapeutic benefits, particularly in treating upper respiratory tract infections, such as the common cold. Research indicates that ginseng has been effective in significantly alleviating the symptoms of colds and influenza. However, further research is required to substantiate ginseng's claims of boosting immunity fully. Green tea. Research suggests that green tea contains flavonoids, antioxidants that enhance immunity and possess anti-inflammatory properties. Studies indicate that the antioxidant catechin, abundant in green tea, exhibits potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, capable of eradicating cold-causing bacteria and the influenza virus. Worst foods for the immune system. To keep your immune system strong, it's advisable to restrict consumption of these foods, all of which contribute to undermining your body's defenses. Added sugars, whether from desserts, sugary drinks, or hidden sources like plant-based milks, whole grain cereals, or yogurts, a high-sugar diet can suppress your immune response. Excessive alcohol consumption can weaken your immune system and is associated with a higher risk of respiratory infections. It's advisable to limit intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Heavily processed foods. The majority of sodium in your diet comes from foods like fast food meals, pizza, and chips, and research suggests that excess salt can weaken your immune system's ability to fight off invaders. Additionally, heavily processed foods often contain refined grains, which can disrupt your metabolic response and increase your susceptibility to serious infections. How to boost the immune system naturally. Along with maintaining a healthy diet, here are some other reliable ways to naturally boost your immune system. Get enough sleep. Getting a good night's sleep aids in faster recovery from illnesses and supports overall health. Research indicates that individuals who are fatigued have a higher risk of various infections. Exercise regularly. Physical activity benefits your heart and bones, and many experts believe it can also enhance your immune system. Exercise may help flush bacteria out of the lungs, promote the rapid circulation of antibodies and white blood cells throughout the bloodstream, and increase body temperature, which may aid in fighting off infections. Reduce stress. Research has shown that stress significantly affects the immune system's performance. Scientists have found that individuals experiencing high levels of stress have white blood cells that are less responsive to inflammation, making them more susceptible to illnesses. In wrapping up, incorporating immune-boosting foods, drinks, prioritizing quality sleep, engaging in regular exercise, and managing stress levels are all essential pillars for strengthening our immunity. By making these practices a regular part of our lifestyle, we can optimize our body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in enhancing our immune system and supporting a healthier life. If you found this video informative and helpful in your journey to boost your immunity, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Together, let's empower ourselves to prioritize our health and well-being. Thank you for watching.